In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a zip file on Windows the simplest way possible. If you've ever downloaded a compressed folder and weren't sure how to open it, you're in the right place. Zip files bundle multiple items together and shrink their size, which is great for sharing or storage. But to actually use what's inside, you'll want to extract the contents so they behave like normal files and folders on your computer. This process is quick, built into Windows, and doesn't require any extra software. First, go to your file. Open File Explorer and navigate to where your downloaded or saved item lives. Common places to check are your downloads, desktop, or documents. You're looking for a file that ends with .zip and usually has a little zipper on the folder icon. If you don't see that zipper, it may not be a zip file, which is why the extract option might not appear. Also, make sure the file has fully downloaded before you proceed, especially if it's large. Next, right-click the zip file and simply click Extract All. This is the built-in Windows tool designed specifically for zip archives. On some systems, you may see a simplified right-click menu. Look for Extract All in that menu. If you're using third-party compression software, the wording may look a bit different, but your goal is the Windows option that says Extract All. Choosing this tells Windows to unpack everything in one go, preserving the original folder structure and file names so you don't lose context. Once you select Extract All, Windows handles the rest and places the uncompressed contents into a regular folder. That's it. Done. You'll now see a new folder, typically with the same name as the zip file sitting next to the original. Open that folder and your files are ready to use, edit, or move just like any other items on your computer. A few quick tips as you work. If you double-click a zip and browse inside without extracting, you're viewing a compressed preview, which can be slower and sometimes prevents apps from saving changes. Extracting first avoids those hiccups. If the file looks unusually small or throws errors, the download may have been interrupted. Grabbing a fresh copy usually fixes it. And if you're working with formats like RAR or 7Z, those aren't standard zip files, which is why Extract All might not show up. To recap, find your zip file, right-click, choose Extract All, and you're done. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly extracted files.